Hi, this is Brian from brianmjimenez.com, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a downloaded Elementor template onto a new WordPress page. So let's get right into it. So here we are creating a new page. If you haven't already installed Elementor on your WordPress installation, pause this video, install it, activate it, and then come back. So we're going to name our page, for the purpose of this demonstration, template example. So depending on the template that you're going to be uploading, we're going to be selecting the different page attributes. So for example, the template that we're going to be using as an example today requires a full width page. So we're going to add that template to this page specifically, and we will edit with Elementor. Now that we are editing with Elementor, we're going to hover over the folder right here where it says Add Template. We're going to click on it, and now we're going to navigate towards the top right where it says Import Template. We're going to click here, and now we can either drag and drop the file or we can select it. Now that we've uploaded it, we can insert it into our new page. And now we're going to say yes. Perfect. And that's it. We have successfully uploaded our downloaded Elementor template onto our new page. Now we can edit it, save it, or continue building. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit subscribe button and share with your friends. Take care.